If you want to get a head start, then there is also plug and play templates available for you. On the left-hand menu, just go towards the template store. To install a template, it's really easy to do. Let's take, for example, this Telegram beginner template. Just hover over it and press the blue button Install Template. If you are fine with the template contents that you will see on the left-hand side, just press the top right button Next Step. From here you can select a bot to install the template on. You will then see an important notification that if you install a bot template, all contents in the previous chatbot will be replaced with this template. If you are fine with that, then we can just press the green installation button on the top right corner. And we can now open the chatbot with the newly installed template. As you can see here, we have the contents of the template, and if you go to the left-hand menu, you will see that you will have access towards the flows overview. In a future video, we will talk about how to create new flows and also how to work with the chatbot platform's flow builder.